So, okay, let's talk about the Aqua-X. This is kind of a nutrient and irrigation focused product, and this plugs in with the Hydro-X Pro. So, with these two units, you pretty much are more or less covered. And with the Carbon X, which we'll talk about in a little bit, pretty much covered for anything your grow space is going to need, whether it's lighting, dehumidifiers, any type of airflow, anything like that. This is the type of stuff that this will handle it, right?
Yeah, exactly right. So the Aqua X and the Aqua and the Hydro X serve complementary, but they're distinct roles in TrolMaster's ecosystem, each focusing on different aspects of the grow environment. So the Aqua X primarily focuses on the precise control over irrigation scheduling, nutrient dosage, water management, hence the Aqua X piece of it. So it's our go-to system for, perfectly timed and balanced feeding cycles and reducing nutrient waste, really, as which we hear a lot of. It's like, how can I make sure that I'm feeding my plants appropriately and preventing, over and under watering? I've had that same problem. So the Aqua X actually helped me to maintain that myself in my own personal home grow.